National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Blount County in Alabama until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Blunt Springs, or 14 miles south of Cullman, and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Oneonta, Blunt Springs, Bangor, Hayden, Nectar, County Line, and Locust Fork. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Blount County, Alabama. A severe thunderstorm warning